If you're a fan of the Fallout video game series or even the new Amazon series, then you need to see this. We decided to make our own homemade Nuka-Cola bottles. Now, we actually ended up making these for our son's 14th birthday party because he requested this theme. And if you have tried to find anything Nuka-Cola or even just Fallout related online, it is so hard to find. There's really nothing out there, so we pretty much had to DIY everything for this party. So what we ended up doing is finding these Nuka-Cola bottle labels, and we had them printed at our local FedEx office. The print quality there is just a lot better, and we had it printed on this like glossy paper so that it looked really nice and high-end. So once we had them printed, we just started cutting them out. These are actually the perfect size for the bottles that we are using. We are using the glass Coca-Cola bottles. I found these in a large pack at Sam's Club for around $30, and we ended up needing that many for the party that we're throwing. Then we just took a little bit of Mod Podge and put it onto the top of the bottle cap of the bottle, and then attached the Nuka-Cola bottle cap label to the top. Now, if you want to seal this, you can do what we did, and we did add a little bit more of the Mod Podge on top, and then you just let this dry. It does dry clear and it dries matte, so you won't even be able to tell. It just helps seal everything in. Then once you have that done, you're going to attach the top front label, and it's going to cover the Coca-Cola label entirely. Because the glass bottles actually have the labels printed, you can't just peel the labels off, but it's okay because these labels just go right over the top, as you can see. So you're just going to kind of maneuver it around a little bit and make sure it's in the right spot. And then you're going to turn the bottle over and do the exact same thing with the other side. We did end up adding a little more Mod Podge on the front as well, just to cover the edges. We didn't worry about that bottom label, as you can see on the bottle. We just kept them as is. If you want to remove it, you can, but you are going to need something like Goo Gone to get all of the sticky residue off. From there, you have your Nuka-Cola bottles made. I do suggest not putting these in a cooler. You don't want them to get wet, but you can put them in the fridge, and there you go. If you want to see the full tutorial, I have that at a link in my bio.